Mneme AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to be released this year, and in this review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. If you're looking for a powerful AI solution that's revolutionizing the way businesses interact with data, this video is for you. Stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly why Mneme AI might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. First off, Mneme AI isn't just another generic AI tool. This software focuses heavily on making sense of complex data by offering a highly intuitive interface that doesn't require a steep learning curve. Whether you're new to AI or a seasoned pro, Mneme aims to make data accessible, actionable, and easy to interpret. One of the standout features is Mneme's ability to automatically categorize data from different sources. This alone saves a huge amount of time, especially if you're dealing with massive amounts of unstructured data. For marketers, businesses, and analysts, this means you no longer need to spend hours sorting through raw data to extract valuable insights. Mneme AI handles all of that for you, quickly and accurately. But that's just the beginning. The software also has powerful natural language processing capabilities. Mneme AI can understand and analyze text in a way that allows you to gain insights that you might have missed with traditional tools. If you're someone who deals with customer feedback, reviews, or social media data, this is a big deal. The software can identify sentiment, trends, and even potential issues in your data, providing you with actionable recommendations for improvement. Mneme AI also includes predictive analytics, which is a must-have in today's fast-paced digital world. By analyzing past trends and behaviors, it can help you forecast future outcomes. This is particularly useful for businesses looking to plan ahead and make data-driven decisions with confidence. Whether you're trying to predict sales trends, customer behavior, or market shifts, Mneme AI helps you stay one step ahead. Another unique aspect of Mneme AI is its integration capabilities. It plays well with other software platforms and services you might already be using, like CRM systems, email marketing tools, and analytics software. This makes it easier to incorporate Mneme into your existing workflow without a major overhaul of your tech stack. And of course, Mneme AI comes with a clean, user-friendly interface. It's designed to help you maximize efficiency without getting bogged down by complicated menus or confusing settings. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a marketing team, or a large enterprise, the ease of use is a big draw for those looking to scale up their operations. Now, for those wondering if this tool is worth the investment, here's the best part. You can actually try Mneme AI completely free by using the first link in the description below. That's right, you can test all these features out and see if it's the right fit for your business without committing a dime up front. To wrap things up, after testing thousands of AI tools, Mneme AI stands out as one of the best I've seen for businesses looking to make smarter, data-driven decisions with ease. If you're ready to take your data analysis to the next level, give it a try through the link in the description. And if you want to explore even more cutting-edge AI solutions, I've listed some of my recommended tools in the description below. Trust me, after testing so many AI softwares, these are the ones I genuinely think you should try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.